Hope everyone's doing good. I have a Mighty Mite 6 TC-154 tube tester here, made by SENCORE. One of my favorite tube testers is the Mighty Mite series. I love them. The grid leakage circuit on these is amazing, works great. Mission's just going to basically tell you good or bad. It's not a lab grade tester, but it's a really good tester, and I'm going to show you. So I call this the cold position, where it's plugged in, it's off, all the switches are to the left, or the start position. First thing you do, you look at your meter here. You want to zero it, might get banged around. I just want to make sure that's on 0. This will not affect the calibration. I did perform a calibration on this. I replaced every component in it that was out of tolerance. So this tester is 100% ready to go. I do have a tube here I want to test. It is a, I don't know if you can see this. It's a 6V6 GT. I'm going to go over here. We're going to look the tube up. Oh, open right to the page. How lucky. 6V6. I don't know if you guys can read this, but it says 6C6E, so you're going to go 6C6E, right? Again, check it, 6C6E, and 1 means tube socket number 1. So before we do anything, we're going to plug that in there. Now we're going to go to short. When you go to short, this is where you adjust your line voltage for whatever voltage this is plugged into. Not all line voltages are the same. Could be 110, 115, 120, 122. So when the calibration is done, it won't affect anything as long as you have set this for your line voltage. So there we are, right on 0. If someone buys this, they got 115 volts. They turn that up, bring it to 0. It's right in calibrated spec. So you can see we got our filament voltage. We're heating up. First thing you want to do is you check for shorts. You always check for shorts first, and this is going to be your D setup. This is going to be your shorts. You're going to remember we're in E, so you're going to go through all of them, and you're going to be watching this light right there. All right, when it flickers like that, that's fine. So we're good. No shorts. Now, if you see an asterisk, like here, you're going to see an asterisk, okay? No, you probably can't see it. But it says insert 2 tube leads into 3 and 4 of socket number 3, touch cap lead, top, blah, blah, blah. Or it'll tell you that, here's another one, 7AB7, normal shorts, DFH. So when you're doing that short test, if you get a DFH, you should see the shorts on there. It's telling you don't worry about it, it's normal. So now we're going to go to grid leakage. And you can see we're still in a good grid leakages on the bottom. And then your emissions is on the top. So we're in the good. Now we're going to go emissions. Now if you don't let the tube warm up, the grid may come up a little higher and your emissions may be down lower. And you can actually watch it come up. You'll see how fast that came up. That means that's a good tube. We're at about 82% according to this tester, which is telling me this tube is good. I could put it back into the equipment that I'm working on. So now that we have this all done, our tube test is done. Oh, so as I was saying, it came up fast. If you get a tube and it's been in there a while, it's warm, and it's just still slowly creeping up, the tube's probably on its way out. Probably going to get it towards the question mark area there. Once it's in the question mark area, pretty much just get another tube, let the customer know and see what they want to do. Hope I'm not coming in here too much. So now we go off, remove our tube, put it in a safe location. Now we're going to go back to our cold or our start position, and all these get put back. It's just good practice. Doesn't have to be done. Now you unplug it, put your booklet back. You don't want to ruin the booklet. And then we're going to wrap it all up, and that's pretty much it. But let me show you the outside. This comes off, actually. You can take that off. Just the case, SENCORE tube tester. It just slips in these little here you can see it's pretty much it. Good handle on it. So guys, like I said, this is going to be up for sale. I don't know the price yet, but gotta look and see what they're going for. I haven't done one in a while. God bless, and 73s.